Hey everyone, I'm super excited to be here again, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add link to your invitation card. So this is how my Canva homepage looks like, and what you need to do when you get to your Canva is to just type in the invitation template. I have a lot of invitation templates, so let's take for example, I love this one, and I click on it, and the next thing to do is for me to just customize these templates. Yeah, so it's still loading. Let's wait for it to finish loading. All right, so once you are satisfied with the templates, you have changed your names and everything, you have customized the name, and so let's drive. This is the location, and we want people to, once they see the design, to click on the location and they should know where they are going. So this one says New York, New York. So let's take for example, okay, I believe you can see this. Okay, let me zoom this. So so what I'm going to do is that, for example, let me just say I'm in Nigeria. Let me just put Mowe, Mowe, Ogun State, Ogun State. Good. So, and I want people that are not used to this particular location to know this location. So what I need to do is I will be right click on this. Once I right click, I'm going to see this link option. So I'll click on the link option, and it's telling me that I should add my link. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is for me to go back to my Google and search for Mowe. I'll just search for Mowe, Ogun State. Mowe, Ogun State. So once I'm under Mowe, Ogun State, then I'll just come to this map. You can see all maps, images, videos. So I'll click on maps. I'm under maps now, and this is Mowe. So this is exactly the location that is showing, this Mowe. So what you just need to do in order for you to get people into this address, you right click on this red dot over here, you right click on it, and you scroll down, you will see share this location. Once you click on this share this location, all right, so look at it, this is the link to the location. Just copy the link. Maybe you copy the link, then go back to your invitation that you have done. Then let me do this again. Right click on this location where you want to link, click on the link option. Then what we just copied, the address we just copied on the Google map, then right click and then paste it over there. Then after you finish pasting, then click on done. So it is linked. So after that, then you need to now say, go ahead and save your design. Just, okay, for example, you can just save it as invitation. Can make sure you write a name, give your design a name, invitation card. So after that, then you can now proceed to share. Once you click on the share option, click on download. So after I download this PNG area, don't save it as PNG, save it as PDF standard, and then click download. Right, so while it's still downloading, we are going to check it if it truly works. So I'm going to go back to my file explorer and go to my download option. So let's see if it works. Then I'll click on download. Said it's still working, and this is my invitation card. So I'll right click on it, and open it. So let me just maximize my screen. So it is opened and it is showing us as a link. So look at it now. So if I click on this design, it's going to take me to the exact location I picked on the Google map. So everyone, this is how to link your invitation card to your address. It's very simple. Thank you guys for watching. If you have really gotten value from this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then comment on the comment section. And if you have any question, you can comment on this comment section. I'm here to assist you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.